Hey guys, I just finished the video. I'm almost ready to render it. Just wanted to make the behind scenes this time before I upload the video, because I think I'm 3 videos late with Spotify Plus. Okay, let's see. Let's save it first. Yeah, we're now doing some shorts between the normal videos. So we're now making 1 video every week, but it's just maybe not. Don't know. Yeah, the dude taking serious, Yella, he helped us out. Thank to him. See, the colors are a bit strange. Just try a little bit. Just simple Vegas. Open it here. Effects. Open this. That's all the strange things. Oh crap. Yeah, we didn't actually play the guitar on this video because they can't. Thijs can, but he wasn't here. Some awesome thing we did. The nice smooth things you saw was with this thing. It's new. For stable, awesome shots. I'm gonna use it a lot. Gun shots, so I'm going to After Effects now. Show it. I wanted the shots to look good, so I added them. Standard Video Copilot muzzle flashes. I added them. The first frame, I made it a bit blurry, and then you hit this button. Press the next and you set this part to 0, so this isn't all blurry and you see the smoke fine. And on some muzzle flash I also added the light coming off on Thomas. These shots I was a bit lazy. I just made it more lighten the whole frame, because I didn't want to do it more difficult as it could. If you see here the platform we're standing on and the piano, if you can see it's a piano, are 3D models, but it doesn't matter if they're 3D because it doesn't move. And the people behind, it's actually me. I'm gonna show something about that now. For the sound, just download everything that's, or make things that seem like shots and edit them all in. And then at random place, and then just do some random things and you'll get it right. What? Okay, that was a short VFX breakdown, or VFX with Ernesto, as I'm maybe gonna call it now. Some cool videos are coming up. Thank you, Ernesto, thank you. Bye.